been a beautiful journey. It's like seeing a baby grow year on year, getting bigger, better, making all dreams happen and defying all impossible things, making things possible. How can I start and where should I start? Without these people who are sitting here, who have been immense support to us, I don't think we would have come this far. And I must say the 4 South Indian film industries have been so supportive. It's extremely gratifying that they've stretched their support all along for over the years, and I wish and pray their support continues. I must say SIMA is one of the biggest awards in South India today, and there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. I must say I should thank the entire team for making it happen over again every year. And like it has already been mentioned, it's the largest viewed award show on South Indian television, and that speaks for itself. And SIMA is not just bringing South Indian cinema together on one platform globally by its 20 stars, which is, I don't think something like this has ever happened before on Indian television, South Indian television. And that is an exotic part of SIMA this year. Apart from this, it's the usual gala celebration with a lot of acts and a lot of after parties, which Rana is very famous for. So, it's his most favorite part of SIMA actually, and our most favorite part of him in SIMA. So a long way, we're here to celebrate South Indian cinema, the oneness of South Indian cinema and the brotherhood of South Indian cinema.
South Indian cinema. It gives us immense pleasure to mention, like when we opened up our nomination ballot. So till now, approximately 3 million people are voted for their favorite stars. So it clearly indicates the strength and popularity of SIMA. So it is our 4th edition of SIMA, which is going to happen in Dubai. And I'll take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors who are continuously supporting in all our ventures. Thank you one and all.
Rana's after party scenes. But yeah, I think overall what I would like to say is SIMA is one such event which really brings all the South Indian actors together at one place so that we can all, get to know each other. I think, by doing so many films, we really don't get a chance to meet and kind of, get to know each other. And I think this is one such place where such a thing happens, and it also is a good place to recognize the individuals for the various films that they've made. So thank you SIMA once again for having me this year as well. Thanks.
Vishnu Garu, Thirumal Reddy Garu, I think they put together a fantastic show every year. I don't know how it's possible year after year, and like Brinda said, it's going to get bigger and better. Really looking forward to being in Dubai, 6th and 7th of August. I'm sure the audience is very, very excited. We are very excited to perform for everyone, and I hope you guys enjoy the show. Thanks.
SIMA is as colorful as my outfit right now. It's bright, it's fun, it's like I said, it's celebration, it's good times, and I'm performing this year, and I'm also nominated this year, so fingers crossed. I'm excited, a little nervous, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of memories made all over again, and I can't wait for SIMA to happen again. Thank you.
ప్రతి సంవత్సరం 4 ఇండస్ట్రీస్ని ఒక అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయిలో అవార్డ్ ఫంక్షన్ చేసి ప్రతి సంవత్సరం దే ఆర్ outdoing themselves, and I have to congratulate all the entire team of SIMA, and this is my 3rd year being associated with SIMA. వీళ్ళందరూ స్టేజ్ మీద పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తారు, నేను ఆఫ్టర్ పార్టీలో పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తాను. బట్ సో ఈ సంవత్సరం చాలా అద్భుతమైన సినిమాలు ఉన్నాయండి, తెలుగు, తమిళ, కన్నడ, మలయాళంలో, అండ్ చాలా మంది పార్టిసిపేషన్ ఉంది. సో ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంత ముందున్న 3 సంవత్సరాల కన్నా ఇంకా పెద్దగా ఉంటుందని నేను ఖచ్చితంగా నమ్ముతున్నాను. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ SIMA for having me one more time.
Andriki namaskaram. I've been told that SIMA is known to bring movie lovers, movie buffs together. It's kind of like our little retreat. So I'm excited to be a part of it. It's my first year, we'll be performing. Actually, it's my first time I'm performing ever. So I'm sure I'm going to be a bundle of nerves and hoping I have fun. Thanks.
Congratulations to Saima for getting bigger and better every year. This is my second year that I'm associated with Saima. My first year was last year where I performed, and I'll be performing again. I'm also nominated for the debut award, so let's see how that goes. And well, waiting to be in Dubai, so see you all there.
Well, on a serious note, I think we make lovely films in South, and it's wonderful how we take them on an international platform through Saima. And for that, I would like to thank Vishnu and Brinda for that. On a fun note, it's just, you work in films and sometimes you give your life for it. Those few months mean everything to you, and sometimes you don't meet those actors for a very long time. And Saima, again, you get to see them on red carpet, and you meet them again, you see them performing, or you see them get an award, and it's just one, you go give them a warm hug. It's just that love that you feel happy for all your friends getting an award, and well, that's the best part. For me, what I really enjoyed was when I did my tribute to Sridevi ma'am, and then I did a tribute to Shankar sir's films, and that was interesting and fun. I love stage, and what I really love to do is be on stage and perform. If I could die on stage, that would be the best thing for me. I just love it. So when I perform and for Saima on international platform, I feel really happy. And of course, how can we forget the after parties, which are really, really, really loads and loads of fun. I wouldn't tell you why. It's fun.
Going forward, you do a couple of films or you do a couple of events, but you always remember your first, event. And since it's the first time I'm performing, I'm really excited, like I said before, hoping that I don't trip on stage.
Come back again because last year I thought, they change performances every year with different people, but since I got a call again, I think I did an okay job last year. So I'm really excited, and I hope I can do better than I did last year, and hopefully entertain everybody, and hope you guys like the show as well.
You're asking me the question, so I'll make eye contact with you, but I can make with everyone and say Champesta. So that's for asking me the question. Champesta, like villain style, with hair flick also. Guys,
after that they said just come in the opening on some for 10 minutes and close it off. They didn't want me to be on stage all evening. And the most fun thing was I dropped a coconut on my friend's not very good place. And one big coconut, but and then after that I'm hoping he still comes for Saima and we will have a lot more coconuts around.
I'm not going to answer this. I'd rather do bilinguals. If it's a good script, they should make it in every language.
Bilingual. Choose 2 languages then.
I do Kannada and Telugu films. I haven't made my debut in Tamil or Malayalam yet. Okay. So it would either be Kannada and Telugu, or it would be a Tamil and Telugu film.
Okay, so Telugu is going to be a common thing.
I started here. There's no way I'm going to leave it out.
Anything in Telugu from you?
Telugu?
Yeah. No Galis.
No
Champesta, no Musto.
The first thing I ever learned was, okay, I'm not going to say it. It sounds really bad. So that's the first thing that was taught to me. But I think Andariki Namaskaram was the first thing I ever learned, and my first dialogue. That's the only Telugu I knew.
స్వర్గీయులు అక్కినే నాగేశ్వరరావు గారికి ఉండాలండి బెస్ట్ అవార్డు అంటే దానికన్నా అవార్డు అయితే ఉండదు బట్ ఇన్ ఆల్ దెమ్ మీ ద బెస్ట్ మ్యాన్ దట్స్ అబౌట్ ఇట్
But still, whom do you think best actor ever ఉండొచ్చు?
అంటే నేను లేకపోతే నేను పట్టించుకోనండి అసలు ఈ అవార్డు అంటే నా ఆన్సర్కి ఏముంది చైతన్య వెంకటేష్ ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు. ఇద్దరికి అవార్డులు వస్తే హ్యాపీగా నేను అంటే వెంకటేష్ గారికి వస్తే అవార్డు నేనే మోసుకెళ్ళాలి, నా బ్యాగ్ లో పెట్టుకుని నేనే సర్దుకోవాలి. చైతన్యకి వస్తే తనే తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతాడు. సో చిన్నానికి చాలా అవార్డ్స్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి చైతన్యకి రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అంటే అంటే ఒకటండి, అంటే హోస్టింగ్ అనేది ఒక చాలా ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్ అది. అండ్ ఖచ్చితంగా నేను వెళ్ళి ఒక సర్టన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ లో చేస్తాను ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా. అండ్ దట్ వాస్ అ బెటర్ వే టు గెట్ ఇట్ ఫార్వర్డ్.
Can we expect you this time?
Of course, you will expect me. Don't know how long they'll, based on how much time they want me on stage, I will be on stage.
Yeah, so we'll start discussing what I'm really doing. Like I said, last 2 times was wonderful because it was a special kind of a performance. It was fun, you know. I love Sri Devi, fun to do one of her songs. I love Shankar Sir's film, so it was fun to do a tribute to him. I don't know what I'm doing this time, but something fun, something exciting for sure. And I'm nominated as well. So, I am not sure as right now. It all depends on what the theme is and how we put it all together. And then, generally you figure out a theme, then you pick those songs, and then you start rehearsing. And that's how an act is prepared. So right now we don't know anything. We still have to sit on that. So I don't know. Yeah, but I enjoy that part the most. Like I said, I love being on stage. It just brings life back in me. So wait, Rana's coaching me on the side. So, okay. I haven't seen any of the films, so it's like very hard for me to kind of, you know, tell you who should be winning. So
Winning part okay, but who is your favorite among them?
Amongst all of them, like I said, I've not seen any of the films, you know, so it's kind of really hard for me to tell you. I can see what's going on. So you vote for me, huh?
What's your voting code?
He performed for 5 minutes on stage. He performs for like 2 days in a row.
No. Are you all performing with Rana?
The answer is తీసుకోవద్దండి. చాలా ఫన్ అవార్డ్స్ నేను మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాను. Why is this Rana bashing going on? Can you ask some other question?
I didn't do it, but you know, so when she was talking about, like, you know, you pick a theme and you so when she was saying all that, I was like making a mental note that, oh, okay, I got to do this because this is my first year. So I'm just going to leave it right now to the choreographers. Maybe I'll perform some of my own songs. I think Gopikama was like you know, appreciated. So let's see. I don't know.
And then it's a whole lot of thing that happens before they actually get to know about it. So they get to know about which songs they're performing for, and after which they'll all know when they start their practices.
Who are happy to associate with this event, they are getting their ROS pretty much with this event. So we don't see real challenges. So they are continuously support whatever we are doing. They are appreciating our effort. So it's a teamwork in total.
Saima is here to stay, only to get bigger and better year on year. So as of now, Saima is our priority. So I don't think we have time yet to think of other projects at the moment alongside. Where although our company does have other projects that they do, but for now with us as a Saima team, it's Saima for us. What the exotic part of Saima would be that you would see 20 performances. I don't think that's ever happened in an awards night. Being 2 days, we have 20 performances, and the theme is also going to be better than what it was last year. So like always, like Rana said some time back, we're always trying to compete with ourselves. So we're only working harder for the better. Not a joke to schlep 450 people out of country, coordinating with 4 different South Indian film industries. It's okay to do it in a city within India for 1 night, but it's no jokes to do it outside India for 2 nights. It's coordinating a lot of people and coordinating a lot of different aspects. That's the USP of Saima.